1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap behind on 8. Now, as you step, you're going to step inwards. So, not outwards, inwards. The right foot from this level to your side will twist from the hip and pretend you're shooting a ball. So, we're going to try to combine this, step diagonally and also shoot. So, you see my left leg toes are twisted inwards, not out, inwards. And we go together, 1. Once you've managed to do this, you're almost finished from the difficult part. With the basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, prepare on 8, 1. Then twist on your heel on your left foot, 2, and twist your hip so it goes back. If you don't use your hip, boys and girls, you're going to be going very slow. You won't be able to do it fast. Now on the ball of the foot, we're going to swivel in and shoot that ball again. So that's the first position again. So this is the new position. There's only 2 of them. And I'm going on the left foot from heel to ball to heel. Of course, you don't have to do them like this. And lift up and down. That will go more to the Michael Jackson step. Yes? And stick around for the bonus Pachanga step. Very nice, very fun to do, especially if the music is funky. Now, in order to change, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how much I did. Then I did 8. You can do 8 straight away. You're going to go in with the right, just like before, and shoot with the ball, just like before. It might sound simple, just do the same thing from the other side, but I know it's not. So when we shoot here, we're going to go ahead and shoot the ball, twist on the heel, twist on the toe. And if you like to practice without this, you can just move on and drag that foot along, move it into a circle, and have a lot of fun with this step. Okay, last time, and then we do the bonus. Everything together. 4 counts to the left, 4 counts to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since you know you're going to do a basic, don't bring your foot back to here. Bring it more diagonal and hit that basic on time. 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's the surprise. 1, 2, 3. It's simple enough, but it's so cool. Bam, 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 bam. I'll put it to music at the end. Let's show it slowly. It's all about the knees going up and down, and then going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like before. Down, up with your toe. Down, up with your toe. Down, up with your toe, and stretch the body diagonally. Grasp the hands and pull in the knee and tap. Other side, down and tap. Step down and tap. Step down and tap. Diagonally again your body. Bend in. When you bend in, try to bring this part of the foot to the back of your knee. And then tap. But as you tap, turn to the front, go to the basic. Last time, let's go together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, sorry, I gotta adjust. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and to music.